Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So introduce yourself.
My name is Manju Manoja. I am from Rampik Amravati. I am student pursuing BCom in KL College. I'm passionate about learning new things. That's all about me.
Okay. So what are your strengths?
My strength is quick learner, and I'm dedicated to my work. And I like to strengthen my engaging the peoples and socializing to more. That's my strength.
And weaknesses?
My weaknesses is like overthinking and lack of confidence on in a public speaking, but I recently work on them. That's
So why do you overthink? Like you say that it is your weakness. So if you know that overthinking is your weakness, you know that it pulls you back. So why do you overthink?
sometimes I have a lot of work on my
Continue.
sometimes sometimes I have burden on my work, and that's my overthink, but still I'm doing the work that overthink low, and that's I listen the songs. I motivate myself. Then I become that not overthink in future. That I'm working on that.
What are your future goals?
I want to become a teacher.
Teacher. What makes you inspire to become a teacher?
Please repeat again.
What inspires you to become a teacher?
Okay. Firstly, I see the teachers like my sisters and my brothers, because they are professors and teaching and inspire that persons. That's why I'm choose the teachers, and I love to engaging the students. I love to teaching them. I'm sharing them my knowledge. That's like I should become a teacher.
So, which degree you are going to pursue after this?
Firstly, I pursue BCom, then I pursue B.Ed.
BA.
Yes.
So, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is drawing, and spare time I play to a badminton and watching two movies.
Isn't teaching your hobby?
Teaching is hobby. Sometimes I like to hobbies that I'm passionate about my teaching.
You are passionate about teaching.
Yes,
So it's not your hobby, you are passionate about it, right?
it's right.
So tell us about your family. As you said that you're inspired by your brother and sisters. Tell us about your family.
Firstly, my father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. My younger brother is at a 10th class.
So do they support your dream?
Yes.
Do they support your
Yes, yes, sure.
dream? So why did you choose BCom? You could have pursued BEd only if you want to. No, you have to pursue graduation.
Firstly, you pursue BCom, then you make a B.Ed.
You edit it out, Sakshi.
Because I love to teaching accounting, economics, business studies, and OCM's English,
So which subject would you like to teach when you will be teaching?
accounting and English.
So for that you have to complete your master's degree. So you cannot teach school students accountancy and all.
Yes, in BCom I pursue that. I focus on that subject which I interested. That's accountings and English. That's I think in future I get better on that accounting and English, and that's I'm practice about that. Sometimes I'm teach my friends to accountancy and English, that they help to engage that.
First of all, I would like to ask you, what are your plans? You are planning for teaching at school level or college level? You said would like to teach English or accounting.
Yes.
So you want to teach at school level or at college level?
Firstly, I teach in school level. Then, if I'm a progressive, then I go to the university colleges. University colleges have get a PhD, MA. That's important. Firstly, I go to B.Ed. I have a experience. Then I choose the MA, PhD. Then I go to the university colleges.
Okay, so which subject would you teach in school? You cannot teach accounts, right?
Yes, yes. I like to teach English and sometimes geography. I'm
Social
practice
science.
social science that, but I like to English to teach that.
So why won't you opt for maths? Because it is related to accounts,
No,
right?
no. Accountancy is different subject. Maths is also different. Commerce have a accountancy, maths, and there are a lot of subject. Accountancy has a business related. Maths is like a theory and pathological theorems that all. And it's important on CA, not.
So basically, firstly, you want to teach any subjects on school level, and then you would opt for a master's degree or
Yes.
do a PhD, and
PhD.
would opt for teaching accountants and all that subjects, right?
Yes.
So, being a teacher, there are many responsibilities like setting people, checking them, and giving projects and assignments and checking all of it. So, it is quite a pressuring thing on you. So, how would you handle that pressure?
Firstly, if I think I want to teacher. Then firstly, I have many responsibilities on that. So firstly, I get a difficulty for first day, second day, third day. Then I get confidence and I get a more work to that place. That it's important. Firstly, you have a difficulty, but then you get a professionalism. That's too important that you have a confident at.
So, any questions? Any questions? Do you have any questions for us?
No.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.